Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. First we had Chronicles of Crime. You've seen that one already. Now we have Chronicles of Crime Noir. Okay, here's Chronicles of Crime Noir. I'm going to have to leave it like this because it is a long box. So what we have is the box. I'm going to take the I'm going to get my knife of opening, which I forgot to get out. So we'll get that out and give it a quick snip down there, and we can unravel everything. Okay, so in fact what I might do is see if I can, I don't know whether this is, but now it's fully extended, or fully zoomed out rather. So here we are with Noir. This takes it from the streets of London over to America. You are Sam Spader, a private eye willing to find the truth for whoever is paying. I'm going to change my glasses because I'm struggling reading this. You might have already read it, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but let's go on. Start again. You are Sam Spader, a private eye willing to find the truth for whoever is paying, but post-war Los Angeles is not a friendly place. In the shadows under the bright California sun, you'll find Hollywood scandals, corrupt cops, merciless gangsters, blackmail and murder. Watch your back, detective. You get 4 atmospheric scenarios. Mysterious noir setting of Los Angeles in the 1950s, and a new action cards mechanism for deeper gameplay experience. So the game components is 15 location boards, 30 character cards, 10 special item cards, 4 action cards, and a rulebook. You need the original game to play it, but let's have a look at what is inside. Well, we start off with the rulebook. Again, this is long and narrow, but there we are. There's not much to it. It tells you, I think, everything you need to know. There we are. And then we have some new cards here. We have, that will be, doesn't tell you. It doesn't tell you where they are, unlike the London one. It tells you on the streets. Obviously you'll get to find out where they are playing the game. But you've got plenty of options here. Sorry, plenty of locations here. I'm sure in the original one it actually gave you the name of the area. And we'll carry on. Oops, so there we are. We've got on with those cards. And I'll put them to one side. I'll put them, tidy them all away in a moment. Next you have these little ones. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see what these ones are. And I'll move that out of the way. So, they've all got stars on the back and are numbered. So, let's have a look. These are the clue cards, and there they are. We have a couple of little plastic Ziploc bags you can just tear apart, and we have these cards. Thankfully these come with, and these are people you can quiz. Let's just zoom out a touch. There we are. These are suspects, possibly people who you work for, who hire here, that kind of effort bob. So we have a lot of these little characters. So just because they're here, it doesn't mean to say that they're all bad guys and suspects. I say some of them can be good guys, people you work for, people who hire you, that kind of thing. And then we have these. Now, I'm not sure what these ones are. What did I do with the That's the back of the box. There could be the special item cards. possibly not. Action cards, these will be. There's 4 of them. Yeah, these are the action cards. So they will give you something else to do. And that, I think, is this that's in the box. Yes, nothing else in there. And what we can do now is, instead of putting them in there, we can take our Chronicles of Crime box. I'll zoom out again. We can take our Chronicles of Crime box. We can open it up. And in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back, oops, around these, so we know they are a separate one, because we have one more expansion to get hold of when I can find it at a reasonable enough price. I'm not paying over 20 quid for it. You never know. So we could put those to one side, or we could put those in there, and then we can take these off. Now then, these are differentiated from the normal ones, because they have a, if you notice, they have the little trilby hat on the front, on the back by the number, so you know these are different to the normal cards. So I'll put them on top, and then we have these cards, and these will fit rather nicely in there. There we are. So that all of the Noir, sorry, all of the Chronicles of Crime series for this particular one will fit into here quite nicely. You can see there is a moulded plastic cover that will stop these from jiggling about too much. That can fit there. The rule book can, well, the board can fit there, the main rule book can fit there, and the lid can fit over the top. And we have one box to put on the shelf, and this box is superfluous to requirements. So that's all there is for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to be carrying on with painting the Star Saga minis over the next few days. We've had a bit of a break because there's a lot gone on over the last couple of days in the line of the videos being uploaded. We have the little boxes and containers all ready to paint, those ones, and finally we have, oops, these ones. They're the ones that are going to be painted next. We're going to be doing those a little different. We're not going to be doing these as an instructional video or a normal painting video like we usually do. We are going to be doing it as instructional videos, but instructional videos with a difference. Ali will be doing one set, I will be doing the other, and we'll be sitting side by side while we do it. And I'll be showing how to paint one, and she'll be painting as well. And we'll have the camera showing Ali's painting rather than mine. And we'll see both of us on the camera. In fact, we'll probably have both video of both cameras looking at, or one camera looking at Ali's, one camera looking at mine, and then we'll have the third camera watching both of us as we're working on them. And we'll just do it as like a, oh, what you call it, a multi-screen one, so everything will be on the screen at the same time, and we'll not be looking at the mixing of paints on this, because you've seen how we've mixed paints on the other ones. We're just going to do this as a little experiment because Ali has decided that she wants to have a go at painting minis as well. So I thought we'd start her on these and see how she enjoys it. If she enjoys it, she may do more. Who knows? But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now. Oh, stay safe.